This was a recent trip that we took to the Bosque del Apache near San Antonio, New Mexico. We had an excellent time. These snow geese are just smaller than a Canadian goose, and they took off en masse just before dawn. It was an unbelievable sight.
Yeah, so far they're going to leave, but looks like they're coming back.
Look at that. Look at the little pink line over there in the sky behind the bird. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let's keep going.